Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are making labashiri. Labashiri is a delicious sweet, delicious dessert. I'll never imagine it, okay? So just let's get started making it. Okay, so first we need milk 1 kg and 2 cup of water. So this is the red jelly. Now put this into it. This red jelly is available from any of the store. You can take this red jelly and you can take this red jelly of any of the company. So just look at it. When it became thicker, we will take out. So it became thicker and now we have to take it out and put it into the bowl. Just okay. And now we make green jelly. So just take the green jelly powder into 2 cup of water. This green jelly is available on any of the store. You can buy it from any of the store. So just when also it became thicker, we will take it out and look at it. It's became thicker and pour it into the bowl. Just yummy. So just it's done. This bowl is done, and now we have to take the fresh milk, half cup. If you want any of the milk or powder milk, you can take it. So just it's custard powder, 2 tablespoon, full 2 tablespoon. Okay. Now mix it well. Yummy, yummy. I love jelly a lot. And custard and labashiri, okay? So just this is milk. And these are color vermicelli, half cup. So now mix it well. So when it became boiled, I thought it's boiled. So now we need sugar, half cup. Wait. Okay, this is custard plus milk mixture. Now pour this into this milk. With this it became thicker. Just pour it into it. Just look at it. Okay, fine. We shouldn't waste anything, so just clean the bowls. Okay. It became thicker and thicker. Look at it. Okay. So it's done, I think. Okay, it's fruit cocktail 1 cup. So this is dairy cream 1 cup. So now we have to make these 2 ingredients both, okay? Just take it out. Now mix it. What's the name of this labashiri dessert? I have this song for you. This is the Pashto song. Okay, so let's just start our song. Bibi Shireen Ziyari Gulle Raban Deva Chawa Sharshal Jora Lashuna Bibi Shireen. I hope you like my song. So we are adding some bananas, 3 to 4 bananas we add. This is our jelly that we make. Green jelly, red jelly. Yummy, yummy. So the dry fruits we need, nuts. Okay, if you want my more videos, so just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so you'll get my videos free. And it's only your appreciation, so it will make me more confident. So please give me support. Love you all. Bye bye.